Alright guys, just a quick update. Spraying some primer on after I done my grinding just to see where I'm going to have to filler. You can kind of see the lighter spots need some filler, but pretty happy with it. Chop came down pretty good. Done some more bracing and stuff inside here. I'm going to start welding some structure up top here too. Yeah, she's coming along pretty good. Other side's pretty bad. I have put a strip of steel in and then welded in. I had to do that for this side too. It was just every time I'd strike, it just burned through. So I had to put a decent little strip of steel in all the way here. You can kind of see it where it's in light shade, just to get everything nice and tight.